March 26, 2023, Mars moves into Gemini this evening at the foot of Castor. Jupiter leaves the evening sky as Mercury enters. Photo caption: NASA's Hubble Space Telescope photographed Mars on July 18, 2018, during a dust storm and near its closest approach to Earth since 2003. NASA photo. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:44 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:09 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Times are calculated by the U.S. Naval Observatory's Mica computer program. Here is today's planet forecast. Morning sky. Saturn rises nearly 70 minutes before sunrise. About 25 minutes later, the planet is nearly 4 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Find it with a binocular. Evening sky. Chart caption: 2023, March 26, Jupiter and Mercury appear in a binocular's field of view after sundown. Mercury approaches Jupiter after sundown. This occurs in bright twilight and an optical assist is needed to see it with the Jovian giant. At 30 minutes after sundown, bright Jupiter is about 5 degrees above the western horizon, with Mercury 2.4 degrees to its lower right. This is a challenging observation. Find a cloud-free, unobstructed view toward the western sky. Chart caption: 2023, March 26, Venus and Haemel are in the western sky after sundown. 15 minutes later, Venus is about 25 degrees above the western horizon. It is stepping eastward in front of Aries, 10.2 degrees to the left of Haemel, the constellation's brightest star, although it is about the brightness of the stars in the Big Dipper. Chart caption: 2023, March 26, Venus and Uranus through a binocular after sundown. Venus and Uranus are in the same binocular field of view. The evening star passes the distant planet in 4 nights. Uranus is near the limit of human eyesight and can be seen without an optical assist when spotted in a very dark sky, away from the persistent intrusion from outdoor lighting. As the moon brightens further each night, its light whitewashes the sky from dimmer celestial sights. Look for Uranus on the next clear evening about 90 minutes after sunset, around twilight's last gleaming. This evening, the aquamarine planet is 4.5 degrees to the upper left of Venus. In the binocular field of view, place Venus toward the lower right edge of the field, the planet is to the upper left. Chart caption: 2023, March 26, the moon is near Aldebaran and Mars is near Purpose after sundown. The waxing crescent moon, 30% illuminated, is over halfway up in the sky in the south-southwest. It is 8.8 degrees to the upper right of Aldebaran and 12.1 degrees to the upper left of the Pleiades star cluster. At this phase, the moon is still showing some earthshine, sunlight reflected from Earth's features that gently illuminates the lunar night. Look carefully on the ground around you. Moonshine is casting your shadow. Sunlight is reflected from the moon and brightens the terrestrial features. This effect increases through the moon's full moon phase, ending after the last quarter phase. Mars marches into Gemini this evening, 4.2 degrees to the right of Purpose, Castor's toe. The red planet entered Taurus on August 9, 2022, appearing near the Pleiades star cluster. The planet began to retrograde at the end of October, appeared at opposition on December 7, and finished retrograding during mid-January. It crossed the Taurus-Gemini boundary and appears in front of the twin stars through May 16. On that evening, Mars is less than 20 degrees to the upper left of Venus. It appears that Venus may catch Mars. At 1 hour after sundown, Mars is high in the south-southwest. The planet is dimmer than Capella, to its right, and Aldebaran, to its lower right, although it is brighter than Castor and Pollux. Chart caption: 2023, March 26, through a binocular Mars and Purpose appear with the star cluster Messier 35, M35. Through a binocular, Mars and Purpose bookend the star cluster Messier 35. The stellar bundle is dimmer than the stars in the Pleiades star cluster in Taurus because it is farther away. With the moon waxing and moving toward this region, the cluster becomes somewhat more difficult to see.